well, taped all the vital parts so I don't get dirt in the bore and on the fine electrical stuff. So let's take a just a little look. See how dirty this is. Ew. Ew. So let's get this clean. Well, at least got a little bit better. That pressure washer is junk. So I'll wait till I can get this on something and take it to a real pressure washer. But it's better, at least. I can at least open stuff now without worrying about getting stuff inside everything. But I will open the drain again, just to be sure that I didn't get any water in oil pan. But I didn't. Where do I put you? Right there. There I put you. And twist you a little bit if I can. Oh, nope. I can't. Well, if there were anything, it's gonna get dried out now, so. Success! Success! Somehow. Right, let's get this all good and clean. It needs more than that little thing can do. So, hot pressure washer and some degreaser and some rust removal. Maybe, hopefully, promisely. Let's go. Drink up, little buddy. Well, it's a lot cleaner now. So, well, it's now cleaned up for real. It has some scuffs, but now I can easily and with reinsurance take this off without getting any dirt in it. So I will do that, and yeah, let's just make sure that it's dry. The heater is on, so you can heat up a little bit and get rid of all that water inside of you. I should really paint this block. I've seen all of these have been dark green, I guess. But I don't know if this has, because it's black. Does anyone know what color it's supposed to be? It's a European sold car, so I don't know if they came with black paint on the casing or not, but everyone else is green, I have seen. So I don't know what, but yeah. Let's go and clean this up. Let's just put it in gear and start looking. I mean, the difference is, it's major. It was a lot of dirt, but hey, it's clean now. Let's do something else, I guess. That's clean. The cross member is clean. Welcome back. Today, today is another day, and we're opening the oil pan. I have now cleaned all this, so I can easily and hopefully open this without getting more dirt into it. But if you listen to the videos, you would notice that when I turn it around, it was a metallic clonk. I mean clonk, clonk. So something is in there, and we don't know what. But we will make sure that we are going to find out. So let's get some tools. I have all my metrics, all my other stuff over here. Which one are you? Ooh, you're tight. It's 7/16. Let's open this. We don't have a lot of time today. I already spent a lot of it cleaning this. And yeah, I'm just gonna do this so we can get somewhere and start putting stuff together again. A bucket for the bolts. Start disassembling. There is a nice little crush washer, I guess you can say that is. Let's take all the bolts out. Something is going up with it. That's gonna be a hard spot to get. So we got it. Same goes to that one. I've ordered some non-metric hardware. No, not non-metric hardware. Unmetric tools, because I only got these, and I would love to have good tools. So I bought some. They're on their way. Look at that. It's a little flat washer. Don't know what that's for really, but it's there. Probably have some purpose. None of which I know. I'm gonna put it back the way it came though. I also had to find a gasket for this, I guess. I'm gonna take away this cover as well. While I'm here doing this, I will take away the cover. I could dismount this finally. Oh, did you get stuck? No. 7 billion screws later. I'm terribly sorry for the video editing and video compilation, because I don't really know what I'm doing. So it's all hibbity-habbity. It's a learning curve. Definitely. It's a really bug to screw because it's right in there. And everyone seems the same length. I just can't get my tool into that. See you all in a bit. Right, it's the 2 last bolts. It still drips oil, this thing. Somewhere. There's probably a pocket here somewhere. Right. That's the last bolt, as far as I can see. Right. Moment of truth. Oh! 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 Oh no! How long have you been in there? I hope this is a joke. That's a bolt. There's some on the pickup. I'll get you in here so you can see. There is some on the pickup, but otherwise it looks fairly good, I might say. And that's the little windy thing. If you turn it around, it spins and it goes to that spin gear, and that looks pretty good, I might say. That just misses. That's not much of a clearance, but it clears. The cam looks good. I should spray this down really. That's the pump pump lobe. It looks fairly decent. I will get a real flashlight to look down there, but that's how it looks right now. I will see what this is. It isn't, it's just chunks really. That's hard. Oh, it's soft. It's mostly carbon, I guess. But that is not good. That has been in there for some. I will clean this up and look at it more, but I wonder where that come from. Because I haven't dropped anything in here. That's not good. Someone dropped something in here once. And this was just laying on the bottom. Not good. Doesn't seem like it has been there long. But yeah. KN131. Right. But everything seems to be in place. Great. That's it. I could take this off, check the bearing, but ooh. That's the seal, I guess. Yeah, that's just the old seal. Slides into there. It's non-spinny parts. Should get new of those. Well, see if I can get a new gasket somewhere. It's the same for the 1.8 liter, so shouldn't be that difficult. That's just water, which I didn't want in it, but now I can clean this up real good. Get some more brake clean because I'm nearly out of it. But yeah, great. Found what's the problem. The oil stick is there. It's empty. Everything seems fine. I should really have a good look. I'll be with you if I find anything else. I'm now gonna tip this over just to get all the, because it is some, where's my light? I don't have it. There is some stuff in there, but you take your wife's favorite pan that she keeps all the good stuffing in it, you just tip it over so you can get all the moisture out. More. That's a there we go. I mean, it's a lot of oil and stuff like that, but yeah, I'll get my light. I can't really see anything weird. It's just a lot of carbon and old oil, I guess. I can clean this off. I'll be with you. Well, it's pretty clean now. You can see we have some wear, little over lobes, but they look fine by all means. But yeah, now it's just let it dry. Let it dry and spray this down with a little bit of oil after that, just so it doesn't run dry. As dry as it can be, but yeah, we're getting there. We're getting there. One day. Let's do something else now. Well, now that is lacquered. That is drying even more. I should put some diesel in that to lube that up a little bit. It's very cruddy. So I'm gonna do that. There we go. And that's all right. This is cheap diesel. It's not the very expensive diesel we have now. I wouldn't put that in that can. No, this diesel was like 15 crowns. Now I should put that in with the vehicles. I mean, I can strain that. Could strain that through a coffee filter and that will be fine. The diesel will go chugga 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 either way. But now it's diesel in there. Let's make that cook a little bit. And yeah, that's all we can do today. So see you another day. Whatever day that is. I'm very tired today. But we need to get stuff done. We need to get stuff. We need new paint. We need to open the carburetor. Look at that is. These needs new. Oh, sorry. These needs cleaning. Both cleaning and these needs cleaning and some paint on it just because they're out. Why not? While they're out, just do it. Do it correctly and do it well. But yeah, and then just assemble it again, put it back in. If we're gonna do it this week and get the engine running, I'll be immensely happy. It probably won't be because I need a gasket for the bottom end, for the oil pan. But, I mean, nothing is impossible. I should do the head as well. Not this week. I will try to do it this week. I will get the engine assembled as much as I can this week. Go with that. See ya.